Enhancing student outcomes with predictive analytics. Looking to change the way how students learn? Finding the new wave of learning? The answer: predictive analytics. Discover the impact of predictive analytics on student success with these 10 benefits. 1. Boosts the efficacy of curriculum. Identify and improve curriculum areas needing attention to strengthen students' understanding. 2. Offers formative feedback. Provide timely feedback through dynamic dashboards, suggesting suitable courses and materials. 3. Helps in strategic segmentation of learners. Target interventions to specific student groups based on data-driven insights. 4. Improved personalized learning. Tailor learning experiences to individuals' needs for better engagement and outcomes. 5. Superior student retention. Implement strategies to enhance student retention rates through predictive insights. 6. Seamless policy-related decision-making. Utilize predictive analytics to make informed decisions about educational policies. 7. Better student-oriented recommendations. Provide personalized recommendations to students based on their unique learning journeys. 8. Makes learners more responsive. Boost student engagement and responsiveness by addressing their individual learning needs. 9. Make avenues for improvement. Enable iterative enhancements in teaching methodologies through data-driven insights. 10. Greater career counseling and placement services. Guide students towards successful career paths through personalized counseling and placement support. Check out how predictive analytics elevates student outcomes on our website.